Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Insert the flathead screwdriver into one of the holes located under the cover which surrounds the radio. Lever the cover to unclip the lower part. Remove it by delicately unclipping the sides with your fingers. The radio is held by 4 Torx screws. Using a Torx T20 key, remove them one by one. Remove the radio from its compartment. Disconnect the electric connector. To do this, flip the holding tab of the connector downwards and simultaneously pull on it. To remove the antenna connector, unscrew it by sliding the tab backwards and pulling on the hole. Install the double dim reducer where the original was. Choose the glove compartment. Then clip the adapter in. Beforehand, pass the connectors through the adapter to be able to collect them more easily afterwards. Fix the radio set in place using the 4 original screws. Put the rack provided in place with the new radio, slipping the wires inside beforehand. Once the rack has been properly placed into its compartment, lock it in place with a flathead screwdriver and push down all the metal tabs. Make sure to fold each tab so that the rack is perfectly fixed in place. Insert the antenna adapter into the original antenna cable. Do the same with the ISO adapter connector for the power cables and the loudspeakers. Finish tightening the connector by flipping the tab. Connect the new radio. The keyed connections will help ensure that you don't make a mistake when assembling the black and orange connectors. Finish with the antenna wire. Get all the cables in by pushing downwards as much as possible. Slide the radio into its housing, then finish by clipping the plastic cover on and pushing firmly on the 4 corners. Operation completed.